Police have raided premises linked to Prophetic Healing and Deliverance PhD ministries in Harare and reportedly recovered large quantities of unregistered medicines at Yada Hotel, a property associated with the church's founder, Walter Magaya. Sanabina mashkubla kupangwa na jinsi police raid Magaya Hotel, recover hordes of drugs. And for subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Tip tab na mob The state media reports that the drugs included a range of prescription medicines and injectable products that are not registered for distribution under Zimbabwe's Medicine Control Authority regulations. Among the medicines reportedly seized were metronidazole, clotrimazole, fluconazole tablets, cotrimazole, microzone, vaginal cream, COQ10, vascular supplements, sodium bicarbonate injections, stylen, acotine injections, and lip balm products. One of the directors of Yada Hotels, Donald Mugavazwa, appeared before Harare Magistrate Lisa Mutendereki, facing charges of possession and of possessing unregistered and unapproved medicines. He pleaded guilty, and the matter was postponed to March 10 for plea recording and sentencing proceedings. The raid adds to more than a decade of scrutiny surrounding Magaya and his ministries. ZimI has, over the past 10 years, repeatedly reported on allegations linked to the church's activities, including claims involving miracle cures, medical products, regulatory compliance, and rape cases. While these medicines are widely used in clinical settings, Zimbabwean law requires that all drugs be registered and approved before distribution or storage for commercial purposes. Authorities have not yet indicated whether further arrests are expected. The case is likely to reignite debate over religious institutions, medical claims, and pharmaceutical regulations in Zimbabwe. As the matter proceeds through the courts, attention will focus not only to compliance with the drug control laws, but also on broader concerns about public health safeguards and accountability. Do mamiro akaita nawo ye Walter Magaya Hotel. Pena kumesi kishimenu za funguro emote kulipa msero pechitko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.